President ka United Democratic Party balongru kum ulampang ka Jing dorbar thau ain ba medba lingdo uloong ba ka jingkershan jong ki nongsong snong ha ki thain Garo Hills District ha ka MDC election ka baladem kalalong ka jingpen sluri ka party ba ka niya shakmat ban pensu thiet ka party UDP sha ki thain Garo Hills uloong ru ba ka ne ka election siteng samay ru kanlong ka way ka ba ka party ka sngo ba ka donkam banbu yaw Kyrtong ban aireng lang ha ka ba lada yo ya ki Kyrtong ki babyang na ka banta ka Constituency ka babyang ngin ya shakmat ban ya Khun ya ka election bad ha ka ba day ba ka Rajabala Constituency uloong ba hadin ka Jing bishar bnya usngo ba Kyrtong ka seng UDP Asha Hill di Shira unyo ya ka Jingjob ya ka ne ka election siteng samoy uloong ru kandon ka jingya khle hapden ka vote ngau senei bar harangkat ka jingklan Kyrtong ru ka don kam ban yakhun ya ka election siteng samoy ka banlong menta.
Present MDC election, we have made our inroads as far as Garo Hills sector is concerned. In fact, we did not expect that the kind of vote banks that we got in the last MDC election was very, very encouraging for us. That Garo Hills also is one area where we can take part in the whatever coming elections. So this is one of the elections that we felt that by getting the right candidate for the right constituency, we will definitely take a call. So with regards to the Rajabala constituency, done proper analysis as far as the Rajabala constituency, and we felt that our official candidate, Ashel Dishira, will definitely win this election. This is what the feedbacks and the inputs that we got from the constituency. Depends on the candidates. Sympathy will play to some extent, but candidate matters a lot. And I think it's a combination of both.